We have a 2014 Panigale 899. It's an awesome bike. This one's fitted with the Termi. Is this a full exhaust, Mikey? Yeah, Termi full exhaust. And he has Rizoma rear sets. He's got a little bag on there for touring, if that's what he wants to do. But from what I understand, he's going to use this bike on the track quite a bit. This is a beautiful motorcycle. And we are going to take a listen to it with the Termi exhaust. All right, let's see how it sounds. Alright, I think that sounds great now that I've fumed everybody in the shop here. And my bike happens to be here as well, and we're getting the matte carbon fiber clear coated. And I think it looks pretty good with a little clear coat on it. But let me know what you think. Did you prefer it matte or clear coat? There's the clear coat, and here is an example of a little bit of the matte finish. And again, there's the clear coat. I think it looks great. There's a few more pieces that are out for clear coat, but we will get those assembled on the bike very soon. And we also have a red 899 Panigale 2014. This one's not sold with the stock exhaust.
They've all been, they're all super nice to us. Like they'll help you out, or like if you actually can't get out.
I think it's a beautiful bike, either in red or black.
It's like the kindness is up there.
Alright, stay tuned for more videos, and as always, thank you for viewing.